guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel and click the like button. So today we've had some crazy rain and we're gonna show you guys. Whoa, Pepe, so deep.
Hey everyone, what's going on?
I just saw something gross in the water.
Question: how do you girls feel about all of this water?
I feel so confused.
You feel confused?
Because I don't know what's in there.
I feel confused
Because I have a feeling that there might be sea snakes.
Sea snakes?
Like a water snake.
What? What about you, Lotus Lily?
I don't like it either. Yeah, the deep part of me makes me cry.
No way. It looks really clean, actually, the swamp. And it's pretty cool because you see all different little creatures that you normally don't see. So it's pretty fascinating. Maybe later we can show you guys how deep it's gonna really go.
Goes pretty deep.
Anyway, we're gonna run some errands and we will see you guys back in a little bit. Our first stop is the post office, and that's where we are right now.
So today we're going to be going to go to Target as well. And we're going to buy a little present.
Hi everyone.
We'll see you guys when my dad is back over with my little sister. Here, I'm going to zoom in.
Bye.
I don't know if you can see the pond, but can you see it? Hey, Lotus Lily, I love your cat outfit. Can everybody see it? Here, look.
All set at the post office. On to the next location.
Let's go.
And why we went to the post office is because we make these awesome cool crystals. And we had some packages that we needed to send out. And we are very grateful for all your love and support. Is it gonna rain again today? Or is it gonna stay dry? So now we're about to go to one of our favorite places called the Delicious Raw.
So my favorite drink is the sunset.
Yeah, I want to get sunset.
I know.
I want to do a delicious raw in Tuptic store.
I wish that my eyes were like this, but they're like this. Just kidding.
Cheers.
It's raining hard, guys.
Girls, are you girls ready for a challenge?
Uh-huh.
Yes? The challenge of today in the store is finding a little present in the color of pink.
It could be a pink cloud toy.
Well, you guys gotta use your imagination. Are you excited
Yeah.
for the challenge? You think you're gonna make it within 5 minutes?
Yep.
Yeah?
I think I'm going to win.
All right, guys, we are in the store and we are getting ready. How you feeling, sweetie? You're gonna be up first.
Out of the dark, step into the light and shine. Feeling the strength, following into it. Shines
Guys, it's my turn now. Let's go.
Ready, set, go.
You know what? I'm going to go for this one. Guys, guess what? Did you know this is actually not just a cloud? It's actually it has unicorns inside. Because this one is a rare one. And you have to put them in water. And
gonna grow overnight?
no, they are. So you have to put them in water, and then it will make packages come out, and it feels gooey in the water, and then you have a map, and then you can look on which land you had it from, and this is the one I got. Look.
Hey guys, so we are back home, and I just wanted to show you guys what a crazy rain we got going on here. Check this out. The puddles are so deep. It's like we're living on a lake.
Hi everyone, we're in our house right now and we're gonna open our presents.
Here we are, Bodie.
Open my universe.
This is hard.
I'm gonna ask Daddy if he can open this.
Daddy, open this one. Daddy?
I opened it.
Great.
Okay.
Wow, it feels so cool. It feels like a pillow. Oh, here are the instructions.
Yeah, I'm excited. I want to open that.
Okay, you do it.
We can't open
You
now.
know how to do it?
Okay, you can open it. Here, I'll help. Oh, there's tape on it, Lotus. There's tape on here.
Are you excited, Lotus Lily?
Yeah.
I'm excited to see who I
I think there's a bag for
Okay, here you go.
Fly Baby.
Here, open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Here, let me help you again. Oh, I think that you have to open it from here. Here, look. See? You have to open it. I'm helping her. I opened it for you. Look. There's a house. This is your house.
Yeah. Let's see what I got.
You got a shark baby.
Oh my
Now we'll see what she got.
Let me see. It's so cute.
What's in here?
Something pink. Do you think it's her binky? To put in her mouth? Like. Oh, I think that it. Oh, you got a little. Wait, what is this?
Oh, I think that's.
Oh, it's a
for-
bed. It's a little chair. Here, look. Let's put her on. And she's a dolphin. Dolphins bring you good luck. We have some stickers.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe it.
She comes with a little blankie. And this is her house.
I can't believe I got her.
By the way,
Oh, there's more surprises in there.
Yes!
look, you got a cute little necklace. You got a scuba diving mask. And she comes with this. Look how cute this is, guys. Let's put it in her mouth. She's so cute.
You said.
Let's open this one, Lotus. Oh, actually, you have to open this one.
How do you like your present up till now, Lotus Lily?
It's awesome.
Oh, I think I know what she got. She got a floaty.
I got a floaty.
Let's put her in it. She's gonna get ready for swimming. Look, you can also put this in her mouth so she can go swimming.
Oh, for when she's swimming in the water.
And you can also make her spit and she can cry.
Aw.
Oh, also you have one more surprise. I think you do.
Yeah.
Got a tear.
We have to do. Oh, does it look cute, guys?
Oh, she has one more thing. She has a pacifier.
Aw.
Inside of the package, there was a baby and she's ready to go swimming. And here, she comes with this necklace.
Cute.
And she has a water bottle so she can have oxygen. Because without water, she wouldn't be able to drink. And she comes with this cute chair and this nice blanket. We can also use it as a carpet too because it's so cute.
So cute.
And
Got
we
this.
have the
Accessories.
this, a pacifier.
And we got the seat. We got also the seat.
I showed them that already. And here
And look at this.
is a
We have-
chair.
We got also this blanket.
And this is her house.
So adorable. And Lotus Lily, do you like this toy?
Yeah, this is so awesome. I even want this pie baby.
So up next is Bolilou's toy. Are you
Yeah.
ready to unpack?
Yep.
Let's Do it.
So we're going to put in my universe, and I'm going to put it in. I wonder what color the water is. Ooh, it feels like slime goo.
Wow.
It feels so gooey.
Oh, you gotta leave it in until it totally dissolves, right?
Yeah. So we just finished unpackaging, and the water is yellow grayish.
It says water changes color and indicates which world your unicorn is from. Pink rose, yellow yawn,
No, you have to.
green vert, purple violet. What is this? It's really
Yellowish.
not showing
It's
any.
yellowish.
Yellowish. So then it's a pet party peak world.
Oh. This
I
had
don't
party
really
peak?
think it looks very yellowish, but
Yeah.
it more looks gray, but it has some yellow tints.
Let's
I
open
don't
it.
know. What do you guys think?
I don't know.
All right. Are you ready to continue opening this package?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
I got a toot. I'm getting the ultra rare one.
Whoa! Can I see what you just got?
I got a toot. I'm getting the ultra rare one.
A little clout.
No, this is called a toot.
A tooth. That's so
Ooh.
cute.
Oh, you got a crown for her
A little crown.
It's
So cute.
and a pair of
And
wings.
little wings. Adorable.
So now we're going to open this. And
What is in there?
she is a singer. This is how she looks. So this is her.
Oh, she's so cute.
We have to find out her name too.
Like her?
Yeah, I love her so much. She's so adorable. And now, we have to open that, and my sister's gonna open it.
Oh, cool. Lotus Lily.
It's a paw scratcher, so you can know what she loves and she hates and she loves to eat. Here, let me help you. Oh, there's also a map in here so you can know their names.
Hmm.
Oh, you can actually see her names here. Her new name is Cutie Gold.
I like it.
And her friend's name is Melodine.
Oh, I
Because
love
she
it.
likes music. And
Cool.
now,
Are you gonna give her all the accessories?
yeah, I'm
Awesome.
first going to put this on her so she can be a princess. And now, let's put on her nice wings. You can also, by the way, mix up their accessories.
Oh, that's cute. That's
Now you have to scratch this. Here, I'll scratch this one. Oh, she does not like driving. Now let's see what she likes to do. Ooh, it looks like she loves to sing.
just like you.
Yeah, now let's see what she loves to eat. She loves to eat popcorn. Now
You
let's
like popcorn, Lotus Lily?
see how many stars she got. Watch it.
You wanted to scratch
1,
it too?
2, 3, 4. We got four stars.
stars. Yeah.
My turn to
Her land is
sing.
actually Superstar City.
And her real name is Goddess Goldie, but her new name is Cutie Golden.
Yay! So, welcome back. The girls just decided that they want to have a midnight swim. So we're walking over to the pool and see how the water is, because we've had a lot of rain and I think the pool might be super full.
The water's warm.
Is it warm?
Yeah.
Is it warm?
Nice. That's warm.
All right, so let's put on their floaties. Lotus Lily's gonna put on her floaty. Bodhi Lou already knows how to swim. And the colors here are really very cool. There's like no filter over this. This is just the color of the evening here. Pretty cool.
Yeah, the
Lighting.
interesting.
the way the lighting is when you look through the camera,
Yeah.
it looks like old school, as if there's an old school filter.
Very orangey right now.
The water is so cold. I cannot stand it. It's so cold.
Do you like it, Lotus Lily?
You wanted a nice swim.
You. Was it?
It was so cold.
Did you like it though?
Yeah, but I actually want to leave now. It's really cold.
Oh.
I changed my mind.
You changed your mind?
It's so cold.
Let's go back home then.
Jump in again one more
Don't want
time.
it?
All right, all right. Go, 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 go. You know what you're hearing? You're hearing all the frogs.
I'm gonna get out.
The frogs are not in this water, honey. Ready to go back, girls?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Now we're gonna go through the swamp again to get back to our house.
Oh my God, Mommy! Guess what I just saw in the water?
There
What?
you go.
A sea snake.
Where's the towel?
No way.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Oh,
Wait, it's right there.
Ah! You scared me. And Mommy can cry.
Whoop! A frog, though. Right there. That did startle me a little bit. Do you see that? Here we are. There's the frog. So we're gonna walk back, and it got a lot of water here, and we're gonna have to walk through this swampy water. And there are a lot of frogs here. I'm not hearing them yet now.
But they go in waves, you know? They sing all together.
It was actually kind of loud yesterday night that I turned on my AC on purpose. It's just quite loud in our room. I'm sinking away here in the water. But I turned it on purpose because they were actually really loud, these frogs. Ooh. We're back. This is the water right in front of my door. Do you see tadpoles here?
I just saw one, but it went too fast.
Hi.
Hello. What a beautiful night for the rest. Yeah?
Yeah. What does the frog say?
With it.
Yeah, you have mosquitoes all over your face.
Oh no.
The mosquitoes are coming out. Let's go in.
All right, let's go inside.
Just don't understand the punishment, promises of governments, keeping hate and fear alive, people trying to survive. Understand the compromise of all the lies we keep inside. Don't understand this punishment. We need love, 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 love. We feel love, 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 love. I need love, 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 love. Please, please give love, 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 love. We are ready to live in harmony, and we are ready live in harmony. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.